Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will classify document types for document splitting. So every business transaction that is entered is analyzed during the document splitting process. In this activity, the system determines which splitting rule is applied to the document. In order to that the system can determine the splitting rule, you must assign a business transaction variant to each document type. So let's try here. Go to transaction code SIMG, press enter. Go here financial accounting, then general ledger accounting, business transactions, document splitting, and here click on classify document types for document splitting. So here you can see like the document type, their description, and the transaction type and variant has been assigned. So as per your requirement, you can assign the transaction type and variant here. Suppose you can check it from like it's a asset accounting. So you can check the variant transaction type here. So unspecified posting is assigned to this. Here you can check for the document type DR. You can see customer invoice here. The transaction type you can check here 2000 the customer invoice. So you can check and assign here the transaction type for each document type. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.